Hello, mummies and daddies. So, as in my last video, I have discussed about the breakfast recipe, what can be given, what are the ideas, or what suits your baby. Depend on that. Keep a check on your baby. So, now we will discuss about mid morning breakfast and lunch ideas. So, before I start with the video, I will ask you to check the link for the last video if you have not checked, if you have not seen my video for the breakfast meal, for the breakfast recipes. And let's start. So we will come after the breakfast. It comes the time 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Mid morning breakfast. In mid morning breakfast, if your child is comfortable with breastfeeding milk or formula milk, go with that because it depends upon the baby's demand. If they are comfortable with it, you don't have to provide any other meal or any other recipe instead of breast milk or formula. If baby is not demanding for breast milk or formula, then you can go with certain types of simple and lighter food items like coconut milk or coconut water. Then we come with fresh juice which we take out at home. Some fruits slices like you can boil apple and give it to your child, mash it and give it to your child, or a slice of apple, boil it and steamed sliced apple. Then orange sliced, or a slice of orange. Or you can also provide with some other food items like you can also give a whole Greek milk yogurt, which is very healthy and is good for snacks. So these are the simple ideas you can go with the mid morning breakfast. Once the mid morning breakfast is done, you can take your baby for oil massage and bath. After that, baby will be tired and baby will want to have a good food, a heavy food to fill their stomach, and they can have a good night, good afternoon sleep or nap, you can say. So in the lunch time, what you can give it to your child? The lunch must be something which gives a heavy dose, a heavy food items like white rice mashed. You can boil the white rice properly and mash it with your grinder or your hand and give it to your child. With that, you can also provide boiled egg, sliced boiled eggs, then chicken, roasted steamed chicken with a certain amount of rice in it, steamed rice in it. Then also you can give certain types of fruit as well as food, vegetables, steamed and boiled veggies as well. They are like zucchini, carrot, beet, as I have discussed in my breakfast recipes also. So you can also introduce this all things in the lunch item. Like also you can give muffin, yogurt, and the also you have more ideas like wise egg donuts. These are the things which baby will have with ease, and it will be healthy for the baby and fuller for your baby's stomach. So once baby is full with lunch, these simple ideas you can include. Or if you need any detailed recipe of any of the ideas which I have shared you right now, you can comment and ask me. I'll surely make a different video for that. And more ideas will bring up with the evening snacks and dinner in my next video. So these are the recipes or the items you can give it to your baby for lunch. If you have any query, feel free to comment, like my videos, and do subscribe so that you can be tuned with me and get more ideas about your baby food and ideas. Thank you.